Hi, it's Mike Bader here at the 2020 Miami Yacht Show, opening day. Today we're on the brand new model Azimut 78 Flybridge. This is a storage unit, swim platform, hydraulic. The boat features 1350 triple Volvos, IPSs, amazing power, super smooth, incredible handling. Here we are in the cockpit. We have a faux marble table for easy care, incredible Italian luxury. This feature here, you press a button, sunshade lowers, salon doors, triple, so it all folds away, easy access. Please come inside. Incredible Achilles Silvani design. Please look him up, he is world famous. Absolutely stunning interior, convertible dining area. This table lowers, moves over, becomes dining, otherwise lounging. We move forward into the pilot house and galley. Forward, we have the crew area, super luxurious. Please come see me and I'll show you that area. Full refrigeration. Let's move now through the hydraulic pilot house door. Go forward. This is an epic lounging area. Forward seating and aft seating. Coffee table opens, very comfortable sunning area, wide bow, beautiful flybridge. Matter of fact, let's walk aft now and take a look at this incredible new designed flybridge. Take note of the rail, fiberglass, no longer stainless steel top. Beautiful. All glass. Fiberglass overhead's amazing. By the way, below me and above me is carbon fiber. The hull is fiberglass. Everything above the hull is carbon fiber. Easy docking station. A new level of incredible flybridge living. Bar, beautiful seating aft, teak bar stools, pop-up television, refrigeration, ice maker, barbecue built in, Garmin screens, integrated Volvo management system with the Garmin. View of that obscene flybridge, absolutely absurd. If we look up, these windows open, press a button. These are fixed. Look through here. Everything up there is painted same color as the hull. Boat is really a winner. Another feature, if we look aft here, glass fillers, take a little breeze out. Also a really wonderful look, the way it's integrated with the fiberglass railing. Overhead here, painted so it's hidden, is an awning that goes all the way aft for extra sun protection on those hot days. And that's a quickie of the 2020 Azimut 78 Flybridge. I'm Mike Bader. Please call me 954-815-0147 for your own tour. Thank you.